Hi, I am Ranjani. I am pursuing BTech Food Technology in SNS College of Technology. I am going to present a CLT topic in Artificial Intelligence in Grading. Case study says nowadays the quality of food plays significant role in our daily life. The price of the product depends on the quality of the food. Earlier, to check the quality of the food products, the manual grading process is used. To overcome this problem, the automation grading process based on machine version is implemented and to integrate existing technologies in new ways. Define says that aluminum could significantly improve packaging, increasing shelf life. A combination of the menu by using aluminum algorithms and food safety by making a more transparent supply chain management system with the help of aluminum and ML, the future of the food industry is completely based on smart farming, robotic farming and drones. The inspection, assessment and sorting of various foods regarding quality, freshness, legal conformity and market value is very important. This inspection is known as grading. Hence, the use of artificial intelligence in grading will help us to increase the quality of the food. Ideate. The grading system is used to detect the quality of the products. This system have been processed manually where it is not efficient and the time consuming. To overcome these problems and to reduce the labor requirements, the machine vision technique is developed for grading system. In earlier days, the system have been processed manually where it is not efficient and time consuming. To overcome these problems and to reduce the labor requirements, the machine vision technique is developed for grading system. The hardware and the software is needed for the machine vision system. Coffee grading using machine learning. Oliveira and Fadak proposed image processing and ANN based models to grade raw coffee beans. Oliveira extracted only the color features for classification. While color is one of the attributes for manual grading, as we will explain in the next section, it is not the only deciding factor. Both the authors prepared their own dataset capturing the images of the beans in a controlled environment. Camera distance, illumination and size of the images were adjusted during image acquisition. Research also used image processing and machine learning to classify beans according to their geographic origin and detect defective coffee beans. All the three papers took the image of a single bean in a controlled environment for classification. This approach may be applied for sorting beans before grading but does not provide full information to grade beans. We have noticed there is a very few work in crop grading using machine learning, especially deep learning. From all the papers we found during our survey, only one used convolutional neural network CNN. The deep learning model used is chosen between ResNet 152 and VGG16 based on their performance to classify coffee beans. The result shows that ResNet 152 could achieve highest accuracy of 73.3%. And it could also be embedded in a functional mobile application. A mobile application is developed powered by deep learning based model to automatically classify coffee beans quality via a mobile phone camera. These images are representative of the one present in the natural environment. So I conclude that the aim of this work was to design a coffee plant disease identification and grading system using machine learning and image processing techniques. Since coffee is among one of the agricultural products that earn the country its foreign currency, assisting the production and processing of coffee with recent technologies is utmost importance for increasing productivity as well as boosting the economy of the country. Therefore, two methods were designed and evaluated using DL. One that classifies coffee plant disease using images of the plants or part of the plant another that grades the coffee raw beans into the quality categories using images of the beans captured by the mobile device. Finally, the designed models are deployed on an easy-to-use Android app so that the farmers can use to get accurate information about their plant that helps them to take appropriate measure. Here are some of the assessments. With the help of AL and ML, the future of food industries is completely based on smart farming, robotic farming, drones, all of the above. So, in future, the food industries will completely based on smart farming, robotic farming and drones. In grading, the coffee beans are classified into 5 grades. What are the 2 diseases that found in coffee leaf? Option A, coffee rust, and option B, coffee wilt. So both the diseases are found in coffee leaf. So option C. Who proposed image processing and ANN based model in grading of coffee beans? Oliveira et al., Faridag et al., Turri et al., D. Both A and B. Oliveira et al. And Faridag et al. Proposed image processing and ANN based model in grading of coffee beans. Thank you for watching this video.